Is it a struggle every time you reach behind your back, like grabbing a seatbelt or scratching an itch? That sharp or nagging shoulder pain can be frustrating, right? Well, in this video, I'll show you 3 exercises to eliminate that shoulder pain fast, so you can get back to your life without wincing in pain. Pain reaching behind the back is one of the most common complaints our shoulder clients will say before they start working with us. They feel that pain in the front of their shoulder with simple activities like grabbing their wallet, putting a suit jacket on, or scratching an itch on their back. In today's episode, we're going to talk about why you're having that shoulder pain and 3 exercises to improve that motion quickly. Here's the deal. Your shoulder is a ball and socket joint, meaning the shoulder can move in every direction when healthy. However, when you lose mobility into a certain range like extension, it makes reaching behind your back nearly impossible without pain. The way we address this is by mobilizing and activating your shoulder into that extended position to offload the front of the shoulder and actually solving the root cause behind your shoulder pain. The first step is loosening up the shoulder capsule with banded mobilizations. This is going to create more space in the shoulder and provide that relief. The exercise is called Banded Axial Rotations. You're going to grab a band and attach it to a rig or secure surface. While there, you're going to place your hand in a band and you're going to have your arm sitting behind you. The band is pulling your shoulder into that extended position. As the band is pulling you back, you're going to alternate moving your hand in and out. Think of your thumb position. You're going to start with it up, work your way down, and vice versa. In this position, we're mobilizing the shoulder and we're gliding it into internal and external rotation. You're going to complete 2 sets of 45 seconds, making sure that you're mobilizing the shoulder into the internal and external position, but not forcing it into pain. The shoulder is going to start to be moving like butter because now it has more room to breathe and can rotate more freely. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. Now that the shoulder has more space, step 2 is actively mobilizing the shoulder into that extended position with dowel extensions. For this exercise, you're going to grab a dowel or a broomstick and lay face down on a mat. With your arms behind you in that extended position, you're going to lift both arms off of your back, lifting the dowel into the air. Make sure you're keeping your forehead flat on the ground and only lift the dowel into whatever position that feels comfortable. As you are lifting it up, you're going to hold for 1 to 2 seconds and then return back down. You're going to complete 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps, making sure to move through the range of motion that feels good and not going into the pain cave with this exercise. If you're struggling to use the dowel, you can try without it at first. This exercise focuses on active shoulder extension mobility and can make a big difference when completed daily. Step 3, we are mobilizing the shoulders in a closed chain pattern with an exercise called crab rocking. This exercise helps open up the front of the shoulders by actively stretching your shoulders into that extended position. To start, you're going to sit on your butt with your shoulders in the extended position and legs in front of you. From there, you're going to lift your butt off the ground and move into the crab position. You're going to mobilize in and out, making sure that you're not pushing into pain and moving through the range of motion that feels good on the shoulders. As you are gently rocking in and out of this position, you're going to feel a stretch in your shoulders. This is the stimulus that we were going for. Complete 2 sets of 8 to 10 rocks. And there you have it. 3 exercises to help alleviate that pain reaching behind your back. With the banded axial rotations to help mobilize the shoulder in that extended position, dowel extensions to mobilize the shoulders in the extended position, and crab rocking to improve mobility in the front of the shoulders and rocking in and out of that extended position. Add in these exercises into your routine a couple times per week and see how the shoulder responds. Start slow and notice how the shoulder feels better in that reaching position. Although these exercises can be a great starting point with many people that are having that shoulder pain, this is not the final solution. There are many more progressions that need to be addressed for whatever your specific issue is behind your shoulder pain. Making sure to focus on shoulder mobility first and then adding strength and stability exercises at the right timeline is key for having healthy shoulders now and setting you up for many more years of success. If you're tired of your shoulder pain and you try physical therapy, injections, surgeries, and you're still having that pain, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.